Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making a lemon cream cheese using this low-fat Philadelphia. You can use any brand you want, low-fat or high-fat, but we're using this, and some lovely lemon curd. I always forget to get my damp cloth underneath. Okay, so let's open this chap up, put him in here. I'm just going to beat it to make it a bit softer. And then I'm going to put in approximately 1 tablespoon of this lovely, luscious lemon curd. Stir that in and then we'll test it. I did think about putting some lemon zest in here as well, but I was a bit worried that it might be a bit bitty. Right, let's just test that, see if we need any more. Oh, that's quite nice, but I am going to put just a bit more in because we absolutely love lemon curd. Let's just test that again. Oh, that is so nice, I can't begin to tell you. Now, I don't know about you, whether you ever have those days when things go wrong. Today was one of those days. I decided I was going to make 4 mini Victoria sandwich cakes. And look what happened. How flat they were, I had to cut the tops off. Being a frugal household, we cannot afford to waste anything. So we're going to make do. First thing I'm going to do is get a spoonful of this delicious stuff. And see? Now, I was going to stack them higher, but I'm not going to. We will have these for this afternoon as an Easter treat. And I'm just going to put a little bit of icing sugar on the top. Then I will get ready to show you them. So what we're going to do with what's left then, we are going to put it back in the tub it came out from. I'll stick a note on it to say that it's lemon cream cheese. This will go a lot harder in the fridge. Here it is back in its tub. Put that in the fridge. I will know it's lemon. Okay, there we have it. A sort of mini but sad Victoria sandwich cake with some lemon cream cheese filling, some blueberries. Turn it around that way so you can see it. Okay, I hope you enjoy that, and that just goes to show that even if things go away, go the wrong way, you don't have to throw things away. Thanks for watching. Bye.